AttackIQ Platform Online Training. What is the AttackIQ platform and how does it strengthen cybersecurity? AttackIQ Platform Overview and Cybersecurity Strengthening. What is the AttackIQ platform? AttackIQ is a breach and attack simulation (BUS) platform that helps organizations continuously validate and improve their cybersecurity defenses. It enables security teams to test their security controls, processes, and detection mechanisms against real-world attack scenarios using an automated and scalable approach. AttackIQ integrates with MITRE ATT and CK, a globally recognized framework for understanding adversary tactics and techniques. This allows organizations to simulate attacks that adversaries use in the wild and assess their security posture against evolving threats. How AttackIQ strengthens cybersecurity. Continuous security validation. AttackIQ automates security testing by running simulated attacks to determine whether security controls, like firewalls, SIEMs, EDRs, detect and respond as expected. It ensures that security configurations are properly enforced and remain effective over time. Adversary emulation with MITRE ATT and CK. Organizations can test their defenses against real-world attack techniques used by cybercriminals and nation-state actors. It helps identify gaps in threat detection and mitigation strategies. Proactive threat hunting. By simulating known threat actor behaviors, security teams can improve threat detection capabilities. It helps SOC teams refine incident response playbooks and reduce mean time to detect (MTTD) and respond (MTTR). Red and Blue Team Collaboration. AttackIQ provides a safe testing environment for both red teams, offensive security, and blue teams, defensive security, to work together. It supports purple teaming to enhance defensive strategies against simulated attacks. Automated and scalable testing. Unlike manual penetration testing, AttackIQ provides continuous, automated simulations that can run across cloud, on-prem, and hybrid environments. Organizations can schedule attack simulations and integrate with CM and SOAR solutions for streamlined security operations. Compliance and risk management. Helps organizations meet compliance requirements, example NIST, PCI DSS, ISO 27001, by validating security controls. Provides executive-level reports on security gaps and remediation strategies. Key benefits. Heavy checkmark early threat detection simulates real-world attack techniques to detect weaknesses before attackers exploit them. Heavy checkmark reduced security costs identifies ineffective security tools and optimizes investments. Heavy checkmark better incident response strengthens security teams by continuously testing incident response procedures. Heavy checkmark improved compliance supports regulatory compliance by providing security control validation reports. How to set up and configure AttackIQ for effective security testing. Setting up and configuring AttackIQ for effective security testing involves several key steps, from initial installation to configuring test scenarios and monitoring results. Here's a structured guide. 1. Prerequisites and planning. Before setting up AttackIQ, ensure the following. A clear understanding of your security architecture. Administrative access to your security tools, SIEM, EDR, firewalls. A dedicated system to deploy the AttackIQ security optimization platform. API keys or credentials for integrations with security tools. 2. Deploying AttackIQ. A. Setting up the AttackIQ platform. Register for an AttackIQ account, if using SaaS, or install the on-premise version. Deploy the AttackIQ agents, AttackIQ Security Optimization Engine, on endpoints, cloud environments, or virtual machines. Verify connectivity between agents and the AttackIQ Central Management Console. B. Configuring network and firewall rules. Allow communication between AttackIQ components and cloud-based services. Ensure outbound connectivity to AttackX Cloud Platform for SaaS users. Whitelist AttackIQ agent traffic in security tools to prevent interference. 3. Configuring attack scenarios. A. Selecting and customizing attack scenarios. Navigate to Scenarios library and choose relevant MITRE ATT and CK techniques. Customize parameters such as target endpoints, attack timing, and execution methods. Enable custom scripts if required for advanced scenarios. B. Setting up test schedules. Create automated test schedules, daily, weekly, or after security updates. Define scope, specific IP ranges, devices, or user groups. Ensure test runs do not disrupt business operations by selecting low-risk timeframes. 4. Integrating security controls. Connect AttackIQ with SIEM tools, Splunk, QRadar, LogRhythm. Integrate with EDR and XDR platforms, CrowdStrike, Microsoft Defender. Sync with firewalls and IDs IPS to test inline defenses. Enable API integration for automated response mechanisms. What are AttackIQ scenarios and how can they simulate real-world threats? AttackIQ scenarios are pre-built or custom attack simulations that help organizations test their security defenses against real-world cyber threats. These scenarios mimic adversary tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, based on frameworks like MITRE ATT and CK to evaluate the effectiveness of security controls. How AttackIQ scenarios simulate real-world threats. Emulation of advanced threat actors. AttackIQ replicates behaviors of known threat actors, such as APT groups, by executing simulated attacks in a controlled environment. Testing endpoint, network, and cloud security controls. Scenarios test how well endpoint detection and response, EDR, firewalls, SIEMs, and other defenses detect and mitigate threats. Using the MITRE ATT and CK framework. AttackIQ maps scenarios to specific ATT and CK tactics. Example, initial access, lateral movement, exfiltration, to align testing with real-world adversary techniques. Customizable simulations. Organizations can modify scenarios to replicate threats targeting their specific infrastructure. Continuous security validation. AttackIQ enables continuous, automated security testing, helping identify security gaps before an actual attack occurs. Safe execution of malicious behavior. Scenarios are run in a safe environment, ensuring that no real damage occurs while assessing response capabilities. data-driven insights and reports. AttackIQ provides analytics and reports to improve security posture by highlighting weaknesses and recommending mitigation strategies. How to automate security validation with AttackIQ workflows? Automating security validation with AttackIQ workflows allows organizations to continuously test their security controls and improve resilience against threats. Here's how you can automate security validation using AttackIQ workflows. 1. Define objectives and test scenarios. Identify the security controls, detection, and response mechanisms you want to validate. Select appropriate AttackIQ scenarios from the scenario library, including MITRE ATT and CK tactics and techniques. 2. Create an AttackIQ workflow. Navigate to AttackIQ workflows in the AttackIQ platform. Click Create Workflow and choose a predefined template or create a new one. Define the conditions under which the workflow will run, such as periodic execution, daily, weekly, or monthly. Trigger-based execution, example, new rule deployment, security incidents. 3. Configure and customize workflow steps. AttackIQ workflows typically consist of the following steps. Launch assessment, define the scope and test environment. Execute simulations, run automated attack scenarios on endpoints, networks, or cloud environments. Capture and analyze data, collect telemetry from security tools such as SIEMs, EDRs, and firewalls. Trigger alerts and actions, automatically notify security teams or trigger incident response workflows based on test results. 4. Integrate with SIEM, SOAR, and EDR solutions. Automate alerting and remediation by integrating AttackIQ with SIEM, Splunk, IBM QRadar, etc., SOAR, Cortex XSOAR, ServiceNow SecOps, and EDR, CrowdStrike, Microsoft Defender, etc. Create automated playbooks to escalate alerts, enforce policies, and isolate compromised endpoints. 5. Automate reporting and continuous improvement. Generate real-time reports on security control effectiveness. Use AttackIQ insights to measure security gaps and prioritize remediation. Enable continuous validation by scheduling workflows to run at regular intervals. 6. Monitor and optimize workflows. Regularly review workflow logs and results to refine attack simulations. Optimize workflows based on MITRE ATT and CK coverage and security control performance. 7. Scale across the organization. Expand security validation across multiple environments, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid infrastructures. Automate validation for regulatory compliance, example, NIST, ISO 27001, CIS. How to analyze and interpret test results in AttackIQ? Analyzing and interpreting test results in AttackIQ involves evaluating security control performance, identifying gaps, and implementing improvements. Here's a structured approach to effectively analyze and interpret test results. 1. Accessing test results. Log in to the AttackIQ Security Optimization Platform. Navigate to Assessments, Completed Assessments. Select a specific test or campaign to view the results. 2. Reviewing key metrics. AttackIQ provides several key metrics to analyze test results. Attack success rate, %, the percentage of attacks that successfully bypass defenses. Detection rate, %, how well security tools detected the simulated attacks. Prevention rate, %, the ability of security controls to block or mitigate attacks. Mean time to detect, MTTD, how long it took for security systems to recognize a breach attempt. Mean time to respond, MTTR, how quickly the security team responded. 3. Interpreting the results. High attack success rate plus low detection prevention rate. Security controls are ineffective. Further investigation is required. Low attack success rate plus high detection prevention rate. Security defenses are performing well. High MTTD and MTTR indicates delays in detecting or responding to threats, requiring response optimization. Variability in detection across different attack techniques. Pinpoint specific techniques that need stronger defense measures. 4. Investigating security gaps. Identify which specific MITRE ATT and CK techniques were successful. Check logs from CM solutions, example Splunk, QRadar, ELK, to correlate detection gaps. Validate if endpoint detection and response, EDR, or firewall logs recorded the attack. 5. Implementing improvements. Enhance security controls, update CM rules, endpoint security policies, or firewall configurations. Fine-tune detection rules, modify alerts for better real-time detection. Improve response procedures, automate responses via SOAR, security orchestration, automation, and response. Retest security posture, conduct a follow-up assessment to validate improvements. What are MITRE ATT and CK framework integrations in AttackIQ? AttackIQ integrates the MITRE ATT and CK framework to enhance cybersecurity testing and defense strategies. Here's how it works. 1. Attack simulation and validation. AttackIQ leverages MITRE ATT and CK techniques to simulate real-world attack scenarios across the cyber kill chain. These simulations help security teams identify gaps in their defenses and validate security controls. 2. Automated testing. AttackIQ uses automated breach and attack simulation, BUS, to continuously test an organization's defenses against MITRE ATT and CK-aligned tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs. Organizations can prioritize mitigations based on actual attack behaviors. 3. Adversary emulation plans. AttackIQ provides pre-built adversary emulation plans that mirror the behaviors of known threat actors. These plans align with MITRE ATT and CK threat intelligence to ensure realistic attack testing. 4. Security control effectiveness. AttackIQ assesses the effectiveness of security controls such as CM, EDR, and firewalls against MITRE ATT and CK techniques. Security teams get insights into which attacks are being detected, prevented, or missed. 5. Continuous improvement and reporting. Security teams can track trends and measure improvements over time. AttackIQ provides detailed reports and dashboards showing how security controls perform against MITRE ATT and CK techniques. 6. Purple teaming and SOC collaboration. AttackIQ facilitates purple teaming exercises, allowing red teams, attackers, and blue teams, defenders, to collaborate using MITRE ATT and CK simulations. SOC teams can refine detection rules and tune CM and EDR alerts based on ATT and CK-line attack patterns. How to customize and create adversary emulation plans in AttackIQ? Customizing and creating adversary emulation plans in AttackIQ allows security teams to simulate real-world adversary behavior, test defenses, and improve cybersecurity posture. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Understanding adversary emulation in AttackIQ. AttackIQ uses MITRE ATT and CK tactics and techniques to replicate known adversary behaviors. You can create custom adversary emulation plans to target specific security controls. These plans can be executed on AttackIQ security optimization platform to assist detection and response capabilities. 2. Creating a custom adversary emulation plan. Step 1. Log into AttackIQ. Access the AttackIQ platform and navigate to Scenarios. Step 2. Define adversary objectives. Identify the adversary you want to emulate, example APT29, Fiend7, ransomware groups. Define objectives such as lateral movement, persistence, privilege escalation, or data exfiltration. Step 3. Select ATT and CK tactics and techniques. Use MITRE ATT and CK framework as a reference. Select specific techniques relevant to the adversary's tactics. Example T1059 Command and Scripting Interpreter. Step 4. Choose and customize attack scenarios. AttackIQ provides pre-built attack scenarios that align with MITRE ATT and CK. You can customize scripts, payloads, execution methods, and attack parameters. Example scenarios. Credential dumping, T1003. DLL sideloading, T1073. Spear phishing, T1566. Step 5. Configure execution conditions. Define how and where the attack simulation will run. On-premises endpoints. Cloud workloads. Specific network segments. Schedule attack execution at specific times or trigger manually. 3. Customizing attack scenarios. Modifying existing scenarios. Edit PowerShell, Python, or shell scripts in AttackIQ. Change attack parameters such as payloads and execution methods. IP addresses and domains for C2 simulations. Why choose ProExcellency for AttackIQ platform online training? When considering online training for the AttackIQ platform, it's essential to evaluate the offerings of both ProExcellency and AttackIQ Academy to determine which aligns best with your learning objectives. ProExcellency. ProExcellency is a professional training provider offering a variety of online courses across multiple domains, including SAP Ariba, Salesforce, and more. However, based on the available information, there isn't a specific mention of an AttackIQ platform training course in their current catalog. ProExcellency.com. AttackIQ Academy. AttackIQ Academy is a dedicated educational platform developed by AttackIQ, focusing on cybersecurity training with an emphasis on threat-informed defense strategies. The Academy offers free, self-paced courses ranging from foundational to advanced levels, covering topics such as operationalizing the MITRE ATT and CK framework, purple teaming, and breach and attack simulation. Notably, AttackIQ Academy has been recognized for its excellence, winning the 2022 SC Award for Best IT Security-Related Training Program. Business Wire. Additionally, participants can earn ISC, superscript to Continuing Professional Education, CPE, credits upon course completion. AttackIQ.com. Conclusion. Given the specialized and award-winning nature of AttackIQ Academy's offerings, it stands out as a premier choice for those seeking comprehensive training on the AttackIQ platform. While ProExcellency provides a broad spectrum of courses, there is no specific evidence of an AttackIQ platform course in their current offerings. Prospective learners are encouraged to verify the latest course availability directly with ProExcellency to make an informed decision. Thank you.